Today we are discussing the interview questions and answers for AWS Certified Developer Associate. You can download the complete list of AWS based questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on Certified Developer Associate is: explain the difference between AWS ECS and AWS EKS. Your answer should be AWS ECS, that is Elastic Container Service, is a fully managed container orchestration service that allows you to run and manage containers on a cluster of EC2 instances. AWS EKS, that is Elastic Kubernetes Service, is a fully managed Kubernetes service that simplifies the deployment, management, and scaling of Kubernetes clusters. Our next interview question is: what is Amazon RDS multi-AZ deployment and how does it work? Your answer should be Amazon RDS multi-AZ multi-availability zone deployment is a high availability feature that automatically replicates your database across multiple availability zones within a region. In the event of a failure, RDS automatically fails over to the standby replica in another availability zone without manual intervention. Our next interview question is: how does AWS Direct Connect work and what are its benefits? Your answer should be AWS Direct Connect is a dedicated network connection between your on-premises data center and AWS. It bypasses the public internet and provides a private, low-latency connection to AWS services, improving security, reliability, and performance for hybrid cloud deployments. Our next interview question is: explain the concept of Amazon Aurora Serverless. Your answer should be Amazon Aurora Serverless is an on-demand auto-scaling configuration for Amazon Aurora, a MySQL and PostgreSQL compatible relational database service. With Aurora Serverless, the database automatically scales up or down based on application demand, allowing you to pay for only the resource used. Our next interview question is: what is AWS Certificate Manager ACM and how can it be used? Your answer should be AWS Certificate Manager is a service that helps you provision, manage, and deploy SSL TLS certificates for use with AWS service and your internal resources. It simplifies the process of obtaining and renewing certificates and integrates seamlessly with services like Elastic Load Balancing and CloudFront. Our next interview question is: explain the difference between Amazon DynamoDB and Amazon Redshift. Your answer should be Amazon DynamoDB is a fully managed NoSQL database service designed for high-performance, scalable applications with low latency requirements. Amazon Redshift is a fully managed data warehousing service designed for analyzing large datasets using SQL queries and business intelligence tools. Our next interview question is: what is AWS Step Functions and how can it be used? Your answer should be AWS Step Functions is a fully managed service that enables you to build and coordinate serverless workflows using visual workflows and state machines. It allows you to orchestrate multiple AWS services into complex workflows and automate business processes. Our next interview question is explain the concept of AWS auto-scaling and how does it work? Your answer should be AWS auto-scaling is a service that automatically adjusts the capacity of your AWS resources based on demand. It allows you to set scaling policies to automatically scale resources up or down in response to changes in demand or predefined schedules. If you are preparing for any AWS based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description below.